Margaret Thompson Biddle, born in 1896 in Helena, Montana, was the daughter of William Boyce Thompson, a prominent copper miner and financier. Following her father's successful career in the copper mining industry, Margaret married Anthony Drexel Biddle Jr. in 1931. Biddle served as the minister to Norway and later as the ambassador to Poland. During World War II, the Biddle family traveled extensively due to Anthony's diplomatic assignments. After the war, Margaret and Anthony separated, and she relocated to France. A writer and author of The Women of England, Margaret became known for her social gatherings, attended by notable figures such as the Eisenhowers and the Duke and Duchess of Windsor. Margaret had a passion for collecting fine items, including jewelry, porcelain, silver, furnishings, and art. Notably, she gifted a substantial dinnerware service to former First Lady Eisenhower. This jewelry piece from around 1945 features emeralds in carved and baguette cuts, rubies in pear-shaped and round cabochon styles, as well as diamonds in old, single, and round cuts. The setting is made of yellow gold, and it is signed by Cartier London. The Chaumet Art Deco Diamond Tiara, part of Margaret Thompson Biddle's collection, embodies elegance and history, showcasing the distinctive style of the Art Deco movement. Created circa 1930, the tiara features bold geometric patterns and meticulous craftsmanship, with old-cut diamonds set in platinum, reflecting the luxurious simplicity characteristic of the era. It serves as a testament to the remarkable legacy of its owner. These Cartier earrings from around 1950 feature a stunning combination of natural pearls and diamonds. The earrings are adorned with white and dark grey button-shaped natural pearls, complemented by round, old, baguette, and rose-cut diamonds. The piece is signed Monsieur Cartier. This piece features emeralds and rubies intricately crafted in a circular design, set in yellow gold. Created around 1950, it bears the signature Cartier Londres and is numbered. Mrs. Biddle's palm tree brooch, created by Cartier, showcases a 13.30-carat round diamond. Originally part of Mrs. Biddle's jewelry collection, the brooch initially included pear-shaped diamond drops, which have been removed. The palm tree collection, believed to celebrate the opening of Cartier boutiques in Monte Carlo and Cannes, debuted in the 1930s. Commissioned in the late 1940s, Mrs. Biddle's remarkable brooch exemplifies her discerning design sense and refined sophistication. The story of the Romanov jewels, especially Tsarina Marie Fedorovna's Diamond Rivière, unfolds over decades and across continents, forming a captivating tale. The transition of these precious gems from the Romanovs to diverse owners, notably the prominent American heiress Margaret Thompson Biddle, constitutes a remarkable chapter in the gem's history. The fate of a significant portion of the Russian crown jewels remained unknown until a crucial clue emerged: Although the piece may have been slightly altered in the 1960s, the magnificent core of the Rivière persisted. It is uncertain whether the Rivière is still in the possession of the Thompson Biddle family. Her diary, written during the tumultuous year of 1939 as she evacuated Poland with her husband, Anthony Drexel Biddle Jr., the then U.S. ambassador to Poland, vividly describes the dramatic events of that time. These records offer profound insights into her life and suggest that she and her husband may have played a crucial role in securing the Romanov jewels. Margaret Thompson Biddle's possession of the Romanov Rivière exemplifies the intriguing intersection of history, politics, and individual destiny. Her narrative sheds light on the intricate realm of diplomatic ties and historical artifacts, revealing the remarkable life of a woman navigating the tumult of war while harboring a profound appreciation for cultural treasures. The entwining of these historic jewels with Margaret Thompson Biddle's life forms a compelling chapter in the Romanov jewels' history, enhancing our comprehension of this pivotal era.